Okay guys, questions 35 to 40. Last questions. We call it matching. List of researchers. How many researchers are there? 5. And how many questions? 6. And we've only read about Glass and Singer. Now do one thing. I want you, we've read about Glass and Singer. Can you see Broadbent? Please go and find Broadbent. Broadbent. Okay, second paragraph, underline Broadbent. Then I want you to find Finkelman and Glass. Finkelman and Glass. Finkelman and Glass. Finkelman and Glass is in second paragraph. Underline that. And sometimes they give the name at the end. Finkelman and Glass. Found it? Now find Cohn et al. Cohn et al. Last paragraph. Okay. Cohn et al. is there. Okay, there can be a couple of locations. Cohn et al. is in last paragraph. Then Cohn et al. is in. Okay. It's just there. Cohn et al. Alright. Yeah, it's there. Okay, and then we've got none of the above. Ah, this is the big trouble. None of the above. Okay, no problem. Let's just do it. Now, there are two ways of doing it. The first way is that you go and read about Glass and Singer, wherever his statements are, and then come back and look for questions which, the questions are statements that match with that. This is one way. Second, you can do it with the help of scanning. If your scanning is good. For example, let's do one with scanning. Question number 35. Subjects exposed to noise find it difficult at first to concentrate on problem-solving tasks. You know it already because you've read the passage. Yeah, subjects exposed to noise find it difficult at first. At first means the first 4 minutes. Right? So who did that? Who said that? Glass and Singer. So question number 35, answer is A. And if you want to check where the answer is, it's in the first paragraph, where they use the word first 4 minutes and all that. So question number 35, answer is A. Okay, question number 36. Long-term exposure to noise can produce changes in behavior which can still be observed a year later. Now focus a year later, 1 year later, after 1 year, a year later, after 1 year, and all that. A year later, after 1 year. One year later, after 1 year. Okay, it's the last paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth last line. A follow-up study showed that, got it? Last paragraph, fifth last line. A follow-up study showed that children who were moved to less noisy classrooms still showed greater distractibilities 1 year later. And who said that? Cohn et al. So answer is, yeah, D for doctor, Cohn et al. 36, D. Okay, that's right. Now we've got question number 37. Problems associated with exposure to noise do not arise in the subjects. If the subject knows, they can make it stop. They can make it stop means they can control the noise. For example, you're doing something and a child is making noise, and you know when you're going to scold the child will stop. Right? Or for example, someone is hammering something, the noise is going on, and you know it's in your control. Whenever you say, please wait for a minute, then person will stop. So he says here, problems associated with exposure to noise do not arise if the subject knows they can make it stop. Now, go back. Make it stop means control. Look for the word control. No. Yes. Second last paragraph. Second line. If the individual means subject. And I told you this is not the subject I like English. This subject means jiske upar tajarba kiya jaye. So, if the individual knows that he or she can control the noise, this seems to eliminate both its negative effects. Who said that? Glass and singer. So 37 answer is A, glass and singer. Question number 38. Exposure to high-pitched noise. Clue word is high-pitched noise. Exposure to high-pitched noise results in more errors. If the noise is high-pitched, it results in more errors than exposure to low-pitched noise. Now look for low-pitched, high-pitched errors. Low-pitched, high-pitched errors. Low-pitched, high-pitched errors. Huh? Yeah, it's not naan. Naan nahi hota beta, kulcha hota hai. Okay, right answer is option E. None of above or kulcha of above, because there is no one who said that high pitched noise, low pitched noise, more errors, less errors. So answer is E. E for elephant. Question number 39. Subjects find it difficult to perform 3 tasks, 3 dials. If you still remember, 3 tasks at the same time when exposed to noise. 3 tasks at the same time, 3 dials. Which paragraph? Second paragraph. Who said that? Good, Broadman. So answer is Broadman. B for Broadman. Broadbent, sorry. Okay? Question number 40. Noise affects a subject's capacity to repeat numbers while carrying out another task. Now numbers, look for numbers, repeat numbers. Second paragraph, last line, numbers. Yeah, it's mentioned here. Similarly, noise did not affect a subject's ability to track a moving line with the steering wheel, but it did interfere with the subject's ability to repeat numbers. And who said that? Finkelman and Glass. So answer is C for cat. All good? Good. अच्छा मुंह ऐसे बना रहे हैं जैसे आप लोगों ने टेस्ट सॉल्व किया हो. हाँ ऐसे को. All right.